What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Wednesday. What's today's date? Yeah, happy Wednesday. You know, when you're an entrepreneur and you just living life, you don't even know what day it is. All right. That's how life's supposed to be. Anyways, happy Wednesday. Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Bitcoin has just broke out of the triangle. We're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Make sure that you head over to Bitcoin.fiatdead.com and pre-order my new book, please. And make sure that you guys, check out all the dope stuff down below in the description of Instagram down below. So we're going to jump right into the Bitcoin price, and we'll jump into CoinGlass because this is going to be a normal video, not a live stream today. And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, as you can see here, we popped out. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to try this again. We got news that, they're not going to be raising interest rates anymore. So, it's very bullish. I saw that the NAS was pumping. A bunch of stocks were pumping. So here we go. Bitcoin's pumping now. We're at 35,360, 340 now. So we'll see how that goes. We popped out of this bullish pennant, or bullish, it would be called a bullish bull flag. Okay, see if I can make this full screen. Here we go. Let me get these pockets out of there. Perfect. And they're closing. Cool. So popped out of this bull flag, as I've been saying for the last couple days, and we finally popped out. So right now I'm in a long. So my long is in profits, thank God. And we're going to continue to, take this bad boy up to 40,000, which I think is next. So we'll be watching out for 40,000, especially since we just popped out a flag. Let's check this out. Check out the money flow and market cipher indicators here. Momentum wave up, green dot up, RSI, stochastic RSI, both together headed up. So you know what that means. Go time. Let's go ahead and look at the different time frame here of 4 hour. I did see that we did go down and have a slight fake out here, came down, and now we're right back up. So we're looking at 4 hour, green dot again. We did get the red dot, and then green dotted again. RSI, stochastic RSI, both headed up. VWAP headed up. Money flow up. Wave up. Everything is going up. And as you can see here on the 4 hour, looks a lot better, looks a lot cleaner. Popped right out of this triangle. Let me take a screenshot and put this on Twitter real quick, and I'll upload this video to Twitter as well once I'm done. So I'll go ahead and hurry up and send this out to Twitter. So shout out to everybody that's been following and making sure that they stay up to date with what's going on. So here we go. All right, cool. So that's that. Let's jump into CoinGlass real quick. I'm sorry this doesn't turn sideways, guys. All right, so for this one, it's going to be, let's look at the BTC dominance real quick, 52%. We can look at that on the chart as well, but, we'll just look at it here. 52%. Let's look at the number of Bitcoin on exchanges. 5,000 gone last day. 1,600 Bitcoin gone. Let's jump into longs and shorts. It's not the right one. Where is it at? What is going on with this? With this app, it was always easy for me to find the longs versus shorts on here, but I feel like they changed this. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it's the liquidations. Yeah, here it is. All right, cool. Yeah, there it is. I made a mistake. My bad. In the past 24 hours, 57,752 trades were liquidated. The total liquidations coming in at 136 million. Largest single liquidation happened on Binance at 1.62 million. In the last 124 hours, 136.4 million. And there were majority shorts, so shorts are getting clapped up, getting all the way clapped up. I did want to jump into the data of. Can I find it? I'm gonna have to find how I found the. I'm gonna have to go through it on another video and find out what the newest numbers are for the longs versus shorts and what levels they're going to be taking out the most liquidations at, because I don't have time to do that right now. So that's pretty much it for now. We'll jump into a few tweets real quick and then that'll be it. All right, sorry about that. Let's go back. No, what's going on? Come on. Back. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's go back to Twitter. Let me call it X now. If you don't follow me on Twitter, make sure you do so. So quick things I want to go over real quick was the SafeMoon debacle. Also, I said the average person doesn't care about FOMC and doesn't even know what it is. But this is very true, because when I was working in a normal job and wasn't really into the markets, financial markets, and wasn't really into, finance and all that good stuff, I didn't know anything about FOMC. Now that I trade and I know about finance, I know about interest rates, I know about money, now I know about, FOMC. So that's so true. So you put your life savings in a SafeMoon. The reason why I said that is because... Where's it at? Oh, shout out to Michael Saylor. He bought 155 more Bitcoin for $5.3 million. U.S. government arrests SafeMoon founders John, Kyle, and Thomas. Because, they definitely got a lot of people, including Dave Portnoy. So, what's funny is that, Bitcoiners have been saying, stop buying scams, stop buying shit tokens, and people still do it. And, they get rugged, and then they cry, and then they go to the government, and then all this stuff. But you're a grown adult, you did it, and, you got to take responsibility for your actions. However, look at this, 2/2/22, February 22nd, 2022, 2/2/22. All right, SafeMoon holders, how you feeling? Over a year ago. You can't make this. We can't make this stuff up. You really can't make this stuff up. March 22. I own 1 billion or trillion. I don't know if this is billion or trillion. 369. All right, 1 billion. SafeMoon. Me. Or really, people got problems. April. So February, March, April. So for 3 months, I've been ragging on them because I went from whatever it is to and I guess David Portnoy put in 40 grand. It was like worth $100 or $1,000 after he put it in. He got rugged. But, again, people were out here buying SafeMoon. There were people in my DMs telling me that they were, putting a lot of money into SafeMoon. And now look at them. Wrecked. We told y'all SafeMoon was a scam. Let me find a tweet, and I found these tweets. And let's see. Let's try. See, 2 hours ago, I said, Bitcoin, let's try this again. And look what happened. We were at 34,688, and then we pumped out of that triangle bull flag, like I mentioned, and then you can see the green dot. This is the hourly. Oh, this is 25-minute. All right, so on the 25-minute time frame. Let's see. Bitcoin's up over 100% since Max went on the show with Daniela 9 months ago. It takes minutes to buy Bitcoin. It takes years to learn why. People out here with .eth in their name, not anymore. People that said ETH was going to flip Bitcoin are delusional and need help. And, you know, they were talking crazy, reckless online, just like all the other Ponzi scheme, shitcoin people out here that just jump into the space because they're trying to make money. And that's fine that you can try to make money, but don't try to talk about something you don't know about. A lot of y'all be talking about, oh, it's faster, oh, it's better, or it's more secure, and then you get rugged every single time. Like, it's centralized. I don't know why y'all don't understand that. All right, so back to Holy Longs getting clapped 6 hours ago. We pumped and then we dumped, pretty much, you know, eradicating all the longs. Thought this was funny. College is a scam. I've been told you guys that college is a scam. Bitcoin is a flight to safety. Hop on the plane while you can. Let's see. The generous will prosper. For those who refresh, others will themselves be refreshed. Hash rate going burr. And I'm trying to make this video a little bit quicker. When DaVinci J15 went on Ivan on Tech Show and said that alts will die if Bitcoin dominance gets to 70% and up to 90%, your alts are useless, I laugh so hard. But not if, but when, and Bitcoin maxes will be right again. You know, we say this all the time, especially Max, right? That, you know, there's really no need. I guess you can, I'm not gonna say anything about, you know, Ethereum, even though it is a centralized, you know, scam coin, but that's for, they're making that more like a programmable contract versus, you know, a currency, but they're using it as a currency and a centralized. So it's weird. So it's not really, I don't know what to say about that. I don't really care about it. You know, it is what it is. But every other token, you know, they're trying to, you know, compare to Bitcoin or try to find a utility for it. And a lot of these things you don't need a token for. And a lot of these things are centralized, and they hold a lot of the bag. The owners hold the bag, and then they dump it on you guys after, you know, they do the pre-sale, they do ICO and all that crazy stuff, and then, you know, then they dump it on you guys. So maxes will be right again. You know, if Bitcoin dominance goes to 70%, alts will die. Not all of them. There'll probably one or two, you know, especially the meme coins, right? There can be a crazy meme coin that pops up and, you know, takes the stage like it always does every cycle, right? So there's probably going to be a crazy meme coin here or there. 70% alts are useless. 90% alts are destroyed completely. And that's going to be funny, and it's going to be crazy, and it's going to happen because of Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin ETF comes out, all these other altcoins are going to be literally useless, right? And there's no point for them at all. So that's why we say this, is because they're not buying. They don't have a Pepe ETF. There is no Doge ETF, guys. The world's richest people on the planet are not buying Doge and not buying SHIB. They're not buying SafeMoon. They're buying Bitcoin for a reason. So we need to understand this. And most people don't, but, you know, it's all good. It's all good. Let's see. Don't vape. You got people in. Yeah, they got people testing the vapes, and then y'all buy it and get shipped from China, Africa, India, China, wherever, and then y'all put your mouth on it right after all these people put their mouths on it. Americans keep falling behind the bills. Duh. We already knew that. Even if taxes went to 100%, it wouldn't be enough to stop the debt pile from growing. This is what hyperinflation looks like. Absolutely. Let's see. And Invesco and Galaxy joint spot Bitcoin ETF. I went over that last night. Added to the DTCC website. So with that being said, this is all. Reminder, people still have 0% allocation to Bitcoin, yet they're complaining about inflation early. We're still so early, and very few understand what's going on. We still got, once again, 15%, less than that now, to head to 40,000. It can happen. And with that being said, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, IG, and YouTube. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't yet, leave a comment. Thank you so much. I love you guys. God loves you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.